Look at that. It's so adorable. Okay, so I'm just going to take that little seedling. Where's the camera? Oh, here it is. Right here. Okay, and I'm going to stick it in this little hole. In here. I'm trying so hard to do this with one hand. Here we go. And I'm just going to stick it in there a little bit further. And I'm going to just cut. Oh man. There we go. Just want to get that in there. Gotta be careful we don't break it. And then cover it up a little bit. This one's a bit dry, actually. I just did 2 already. Sorry. I did this one, and I did this one. And they're more moist, but this one's really dry. So I have to put water on them. Anyway, it's so much fun. So I'm going to go on to the next one.